Good morning, ma'am. I am your nurse for today. We're gonna assess you for your thoracic assessment. So first, ma'am, what is your name? Your birthday? Okay. So, ma'am, do you know what you are doing right now and where you are? Okay. Uh, I'm I determined that you are aware and conscious. The next, according to your EHR, everything is fine. Uh, do you have any lung diseases? Okay. According to your EHR, everything is fine. Ma'am, do you smoke? If yes, how long since you stopped? Okay. Ma'am, do you vape? Okay. What device do you use if you vape? Okay. Ma'am, do you feel any chest pain today? Or any other symptoms regarding to your chest or lungs? Okay. Ma'am, do you work in an environment that has many pollutants? Okay. Ma'am, do you have a HIV? What about TB, ma'am? Tuberculosis? Ma'am, do you have any long-term cough or persistent cough this past few weeks or days? Okay. Ma'am, do you have any history of chronic hoarseness? Okay. So, ma'am, do you have any allergies like in food, latex allergy, or any allergies? Okay. So, ma'am, in your family, does your family have any lung diseases or any other diseases? So, ma'am, what do you know about this assessment? Or did you have any assessment before regarding thoracic assessment? Okay. So, ma'am, what do you expect today for this assessment? Okay. So, ma'am, I'm just gonna assess you for today and do some detailed assessments to your thoracic muscles and chest. Assuming that I have performed hand hygiene and prepared the materials, okay, I'm gonna and provide you some privacy and position you into a comfortable position. Okay, for the implementation, assuming that this is the patient gown, so ma'am, can you please remove your gown? Okay, so ma'am, I'm gonna assess your lungs and chest. So please remain in a comfortable position. Okay. So ma'am, can you please okay. I'm just gonna assess your thoracic muscles, shape and symmetry. Okay, you look fine naman, ma'am. And next, I'm gonna palpate your posterior chest wall. Okay. So, ma'am, can you please breathe? Okay, your breathing and rhythm is fine naman, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you please breathe again? Okay, your chest expansion is very normal, ma'am. So, ma'am, I'm just gonna so, ma'am, please inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay. Next, ma'am, can you please cough? Okay. Next. Okay. So ma'am, can you please remove your gown fully? So next, can you raise your arm? Okay. And I'm just gonna palpate your thoracic muscles. Okay. Can you put down your arm? Okay. Next is, I'm gonna inspect for your breathing, ma'am. Can you please inhale? Exhale. Okay. Again. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna palpate your thoracic muscles, ma'am. Do you feel any pain or any tenderness? Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna palpate your anterior chest exertions, ma'am. Okay. Okay. Next, I'm gonna auscultate your posterior thoracic muscles. Okay. So that's it, ma'am. Next is I'm gonna clean the stethoscope, perform hand hygiene, and return the patient into a comfortable position. Okay. So here you go now. I'm gonna place nurse system within the patient switch and raise sidewells in the lowest position. Okay, for the evaluation, so ma'am, I'm comparing what I hear today with your previous assessment and what considered normal. Your breath sounds are mostly clear, and your chest movements look even, which is a good sign. Okay, ma'am, do you know what factors can damage your lungs and heart? Okay, factors like smoking can damage your heart and lungs, ma'am. Next. Now I want to make sure I explain everything clearly. Can you tell me in your own words what you'll do to help keep your heart and lungs healthy? Okay, for the recording. So now, ma'am, I'm gonna document what I observed for today. Your heart sounds, your lung sounds, and your rhythm and breathing. Okay, for the hands of reporting. So ma'am, there are no abnormalities regarding to your heart and lungs. Ma'am, everything's good. So ma'am, thank you for your cooperation.